G-gauge? What are you guys thinking? Should we do it? Yeah, maybe no G-gauge. Yeah, probably not. It's just a very light drizzle now. You know what? I think we're gonna do the G-gauge. Roll the intro. Hey everybody, what's going on? Matt here from Matt's Trains and Tractors, and today we're going to do episode 2 of G-gauge. Yeah, it's just going to be a quick episode just because I think some more rain is expected in the near forecast, and also because I got school tomorrow, so online school, so definitely want to get some more homework done. I already got some done, and I want to apologize for those fans who are aware of what's going on with G-gauge. I try to premiere the episodes. First episode was late. I premiered it the next day. Episode 2, which is this, was supposed to premiere today, Sunday, April 25th at 2 p.m. But right now, it's 3:20, so it's an hour. It's almost an hour and a half later. It's an hour and 20 minutes later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the episode right now and document it just like how I did with episode 1. And also, I'm going to have it premiere tonight. So, but if you're new to this channel and you're new to the whole G-gauge series, it's basically this new series that I'm starting. Well, I've already started it. Where I fix up and get the G-gauge, my outdoor G-gauge layout in my backyard going. So as you can see right here, the bridge just looks darker because it's been raining for a while, but anyway, we've been picking weeds, and well, really I've been doing all the dirty work. You guys have just been sitting on your butt watching me do it, so. But that's okay. Yeah, see how the weeds are coming in? But anyway, last episode, which was I think about 3 weeks ago, time goes by, we cleaned up the top corner, unearthing the lost rails, because right over there was an old mound of dirt, and but we cleaned that up. Well, I cleaned it up. But anyway, the bridge doesn't need that much work, so that's why we're just going to go right to the straightaway. So, that's what we're doing today. And let's get to it. Alright, so probably next episode or in a couple episodes I'm going to be going under the deck because the track does turn around under there. There's 2 tracks right underneath of there and they turn around. So let's just start over here and we'll work our way down the straightaway and over to there. And it should be quick. It should be a lot faster than episode 1. Episode 1, I think, was or is going to be the longest episode in this series. And also, one of the reasons why I want to make episode 2 the straightaway episode is because it's a little rainy today, and cameras do not like getting wet. And I filmed this series with my camera. Some stuff I film with my phone. That's why on some videos I don't have my intro, just because it takes a while to get the intro over from the computer to my phone. Alright, so let's just start pulling some weeds. Let's get that music on. 3, 2, 1. So there is ballast underneath of here, but I will probably replace that ballast just because it is from the prior owner of the house. And that's who actually constructed this whole G-gauge layout, in case you didn't know. He did all of that really good bridge work. I'm trying to work fast, but also effectively, and not try to make this more of a mess than it already is, because there is rain expected in the forecast. So I really, it already downpoured once today, so I don't want to get stuck in another downpour. So that's why this is going to be a faster episode. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. Now this track, the secondary track right here, is lower, and I don't really, I think there's just so much ballast that was pushed, that was like moved down from all the rain and everything, that I'm going to have to kind of shift it over to prop it up. Alright, so there's just not enough ballast here to go underneath both tracks, and if I were to move all the ballast onto the second track, it would be way too high and uneven. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have my dad order some proper ballast for the track to go here. So this really is not incomplete. This is incomplete. The straightaway is not done yet. There still needs to be more ballasting. Oh boy, alright, I just found something very interesting here. Got some sort of power. Right here we got a wire, and it's going right there. So there's definitely, oh, and look, another wire right there that goes to the other one. So that's important. We got to be on the lookout for that. I don't know why this piece of wood, looks like the rain's picking up downtown. It could be bad, but I don't know why this piece of wood is here. Oh, maybe it was to prop up part of the track? I don't know, but oh, probably right there. He probably put it under like that. I mean the old owner. Probably went something like this. Yep, that's exactly how it went. Yep, right like that. Or, let's see. Looks like at one point in time there used to be more ballast right where this finger is, right over here. Used to be more ballast down here, but I guess over time and from erosion and also 4 years of sitting. If you guys are new fans to this G-Gauge series, definitely go watch episode 1. But I'm not saying you have to do that right now. If you're enjoying this episode, I encourage that you keep watching. You know, watch time, all that stuff, all the YouTube analytics and everything. Alright, so we're going to leave that like that. I don't really want to mess with the power too much. But anyway, this was a pretty quick episode. Anyway, guys, This was a pretty quick episode. Sorry if it was too quick for you guys, but at the same time, some rain is coming in the near forecast. So here's what we got done today. I gotta say, it looks a lot better. Fixed up that little area, snagged a couple weeds from there, tried propping up the ballast as best I could. Still a couple weeds here. I feel like after I'm done with this, weeds grow. I actually did a lot more behind the camera, just because, as I said before, I don't want to make this too long. So yeah, I actually did do a little more work than you saw. But anyway, going under the deck is for another episode. Hooking up the waterfall is also for another episode. But anyway. Alrighty everybody, I'm Matt from Matt's Trains and Tractors. Hope you enjoyed. Quick episode 2. Didn't want to make it too long. I've said that about 1,000 times now. But we cleaned up the straightaway, and the straightaway's looking a lot better now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't seen episode 1 of G-Gauge, go click right there. If you want to see a video just for you guys that YouTube picked out, click right there. Subscribe to Matt's Trains and Tractors, and subscribe to Central PA Rail Fan. He's almost at 100. See you guys next time.